Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mass Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself Preparation H DC motor light up car. This is pretty cool, guys. Let me show it to you first. Check it out. It's really cool. Show it to you working. This thing's really cool. For this, guys, this wasn't a simple build at all. I always express to be original, creative, and explosive on YouTube. For this, guys, I even signed it Dr. Fish because it's a creation by Dr. Fish. Basically, I took a popsicle stick, I hot glue gunned it to a DC motor. I hot glue gunned it to 2 popsicle sticks, as you can see right there. For right here, I hot glue gunned a straw. I took a shish kebab stick. I cut it in there, so for the wheels. These are 2 green T lids. For right here, I just built like a frame for a triangle. Then I went up with a popsicle stick. You see how I made the body? Then I did it right here. I glued popsicle sticks right here on both sides. Then I actually had to cut these popsicle sticks to fit for the roof, which is really cool. I took another shish kebab stick and I put a hemorrhoid logo and a Preparation H logo. This Preparation H logo came off the wipes. It's like the cap. This is the other part of the cap. It worked as the windshield. I went up right here, guys, as you can see, with another popsicle stick. The whole car is painted green with green popsicle sticks. Put a green finger light with the switch. This Toyota Corolla logo, basically I found it on the ground. Remember, hooking up a switch for this right here, positive to positive, negative to negative. I hot glue gunned the switch. This little light came out of a mechanism. It's really cool. 9-volt snap-on when I hooked up my engine. Again, with another switch, positive to positive, negative to negative. I added a 9-volt snap-on. Right here, this lid actually came off of Maxwell House Instant Coffee. And it acts as the wheel in the front. And I put a rubber band on here for traction, as you guys can see. This is really cool, guys. I really like this a lot. Even when you flick the switch like this, look, because I hooked it up on the same battery, so when I flick the switch to make the car go, it even pulls the juice. This thing, look. This thing's so cool, man. This is the do-it-yourself Preparation H DC motor car that lights up. This is really cool, guys. Always be original, creative, and explosive on YouTube. See things that other people can't see and make cool stuff like this. Like the do-it-yourself Preparation H DC motor car with lights. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.